Based on the R1250 GS model, the Bmw R1250 GS Supermoto is a custom motorcycle built by VTR Customs, a Swiss business that specializes in building motorbikes under German brands. With this idea, a motorbike meant for off-road explorations becomes a track day or paved road performance machine. For instance, components that are intended for riding on asphalt are eliminated, such as trunks, knobby tires, and other road accessories. The process of transformation goes beyond just swapping out the external gear. The addition of specially made 17-inch Kineo wheels for the project is one of the primary modifications. A Suter Racing BTL slipper clutch is also fitted, which is great for enhancing handling and preventing rear wheel locking when descending. The exhaust system of the Bmw R1250 GS Supermoto is likewise updated. With the SC Project Carbon exhaust, a set of titanium collectors and pipes made by Akrapovic are utilized. These modifications lighten the bike's total weight in addition to making it sound better. 8 kilos less has been lost overall, which significantly enhances handling and agility. The changes go beyond just improving mechanical performance. Suspension work, particularly on the front end, has been done to modify the bike's geometry for the intended use. Better stability and control are possible in fast or tight turns thanks to the revised arrangement. In an effort to match the bike's new appearance, a new seat has also been installed. Another important factor in lowering weight is the usage of carbon fiber in numerous components. Furthermore, the paint job has been modified, giving this customized bike a unique look. The goal of VTR Customs is to maximize the speed of the Bmw R1250 GS Supermoto on the racetrack. The first step in doing this is to set aside the handguards, the knobby wheels, the bags, and the other walking aids. However, that was insufficient, and they took great pride in turning this GS into a mere S. Furthermore, GS stands for Geländstraße, Tarot Street, and as we've previously seen, the phrase tarot is often used.